Days of calling an aircraft and flying to work could be here soon. DFW will be the first metropolitan area in the entire country with Uber Elevate. Bell, a DFW aviation company, gives our Marianne Martinez an exclusive look at the air taxi, which was created right here.
Well, this is your first look at the air taxi, dreamed up and created by the folks here at Bell in. Now, the idea is that eventually you'll be able to call it up and hire it through your Uber app, just like you can a car.
It's like the Jetsons, a self-flying air taxi that picks you up and drops you off when you summon it. The real-life air taxi is being worked on at Bell, an aviation company near Fort Worth. Bell gave us the first look for any media in DFW, showing us a virtual reality experience that simulates a flight.
Have you taken off? Are you in the air?
Yeah,
we're
taking off.
Between the leather seats and the console that runs off your cell phone, Bell says it's Tesla meets a first-class airplane. The aircraft will be able to fly like a helicopter and an airplane with wings. The air taxi will be used by Uber Elevate.
If you take, for example, a 1-hour trip in rush hour traffic from DFW, say out to Frisco, this vehicle can do that in 8 to 10 minutes for you.
Bell and Uber can't say how much it will cost to hire an air taxi, but they say they're working to make it affordable enough that the average person can use it. DFW will be the first place in the country to have air taxis.
We're looking at the DFW airport, and there's a site up in Frisco, and then down in Arlington near the ball fields, and then possibly a location in Dallas.
Bell flew us over the field in Frisco near the Star, where a vertiport, the air taxi version of a helipad, will be built. The plan is to have a fleet of up to 500 air taxis flying over DFW. Initially, the air taxis will have pilots until passengers feel comfortable with the idea of an aircraft that flies with artificial intelligence.
We're still a couple of years from people being able to fly in one of these. Right now, Bell says they're shooting for 2025. Reporting from Fort Worth, Marianne Martinez, CBS 11 News.
Marianne, thanks. And if they were anywhere near Collin or Denton counties today and were in business, they would not be flying right